Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading for your general energies, career situation and relationship guys. We are picking few cards Aries. If you want more clarity guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy guys. So this card is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation guys, Aries. So we will see what are these cards. We have 9 of Pentacles in reverse, Ace of Swords and Page of Swords. So in your situation guys, Aries, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. Maybe the people you trusted or the circumstances you had. Something is happening beyond your expectation, so things are not going as you had wished for. Maybe the projects it's not getting completed in the expected timeline, so some kind of worries, anxiety because of the way things are going today guys in your situation Aries. And the people in your work situation, they are not dedicated like you or devoted like you to your work, or they are not responsible enough. And maybe for some of you, they do not have the sense of that helpful nature or sense of community. Maybe they do not like to work with you, they are quite envious or jealous of you in some ways, and you cannot trust this person. You know that, and that may be the reason for some troubles you are seeing in your work situation, or even it may be a situation in this relationship guys. You feel that you cannot trust them, so this person is not showing outwardly what they truly think or feel, but they are harboring some bad intentions towards you guys Aries. So you need to be careful Aries. But Aries, today I also see that you are going to cut through your problems. Maybe you are going to see the reason for the way things are, the reason for your circumstance, the troubles in this relationship. So you will get a clear understanding. And maybe for some of you, you are you know the secrets behind this person. So whatever they are thinking or whatever are the reasons for their behavior, you know it with clarity. So you may have your common friends or your friend, maybe they are revealing the secrets about this person you love. Maybe they have found out something important to tell you. Maybe they were spying on this person for you guys. So some kind of secrets are being revealed, and you know what is the truth behind this person's behavior or their actions or the reason for their jealousy or envy. So you have a better understanding today guys, and you are moving towards clarity. So no matter whatever you felt, maybe you felt that you have sacrificed a lot for this love, or you have made a lot of efforts, but you do not see this person reciprocating that. You know the reason behind their behavior and actions today guys Aries. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship guys. First we have Ace of Wands. So maybe for you, for some of you, you may see a change in the way things are guys. Maybe you understand this person, you know their secrets, and you may understand them, and things may change positively. So this person would have behaved in such a way, maybe they were not free to tell you what they truly feel. That may be the reason for their behavior. So now maybe you know the truth, and this person may they will understand the situation, and maybe it may bring a positive change in this person's behavior, guys, for some of you. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is 10 of Wands. So Aries, you are someone holding a lot of responsibilities and burdens on your shoulders. You are working hard, trying your best, and that may be the reason you are going to see success very soon in your situation, guys, Aries. So that is the reading of these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and first crystal, your second card and second crystal. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card, guys. It is Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you may have some confusion, something bothering you or worrying you. You have gone through a lot, endured a lot, made a lot of sacrifices, but there is uncertainty and confusion today, guys, in your situation, and you don't know which way to go. And maybe today you want answers, you are looking for answers, and this oracle card, it comes with a special guidance, guys, that whatever you are looking for, maybe answers for the troubles or some clarity in a situation, whatever it is, you are getting the answers. And the way of getting that is by letting go of your striving or opinions or your doubts, despair or fears, whatever you have. So you don't need any of it, and there is a guidance waiting for you, reaching you today, and you will see things with a better clarity, guys. And also with this card, guys, there is a special guidance for you all, that divine timing is working for you. So though you would have faced a lot, you would have sacrificed a lot, you would have faced a lot of trials in your life, but whatever it is, whatever the situation may be, guys, divine timing is working, and at the right time, right things will unfold for you. So at that right time, whatever you expect, the answers you are seeking will reach you, guys, and you need not worry. So you just have to wait for it with curiosity, and there is no need to fear or worry today, guys. So just be curious for the way things are going to unfold for you, and even the next step may be the final step towards the answers you are seeking today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card and this crystal, it says the children of Lyre. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you, all of us, guys, not only you, all of us, we are First of all, we are great souls. We have lived for a long time, and maybe this present life, this small lifetime, this is just a part of that long life, long soul life we are having, guys, on this earth. So maybe this is the time we need to understand that in our situation, guys, we are evolving ourselves, we are growing emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. So this is one of that journey, and whatever our life unfolds, or whatever journey is unfolding in our life, it is our soul's journey, guys. So we need to go through all that to move towards a greater evolution, a greater change in life. And maybe in your situation you are going through a lot of troubles, maybe stress, maybe. So no matter whatever it is, guys, your suffering and your pain is quickly coming to an end. And maybe for some of you, you have a lot of burdens or responsibilities. So all that is going to end, guys. And also you need to understand that if someone loves you truly, they love you for what you are, not for your form or appearance. So they love you for your true nature, for your true characteristics. For what to say, it will be a soul connection, guys, and it will not be something based on superficial things like beauty or appearance. So maybe today this is a time of assessment whether this person loves you truly. So maybe if they love you truly, it will be love based on what you are, not for what you appear to be. So appearance are not important, and you may have a deeper bonding with this person beyond your appearance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for y'all. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.